inside. Martins, please shift a bit. I'm already enter inside. Martins, put that umbrella at the back. I wish you success, okay? Me recommendo, okay? Ciao, I'm coming down for you with you. Hi guys, good morning. So as you guys can see, the school run has already started. Amore, hold on please, let me talk, okay? And I just dropped the elder ones. I'm about to go straight to the twins, their school right now. The morning is always very hectic for me, because the house everywhere no bagara, you understand? So woody. Hey, I'm gonna say ciao. Ciao. And say hello. Hello. Alright guys, so I finished dropping them. I just left them and I'm already parked at the front of my house right now. So I'm just going to go inside and then I'll have some tidying up to do, because the way my house used to be in the morning after school run, so if you understand, you understand, okay? Okay? And I'll be going out later on. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you are most highly welcome, okay? It is me here, Amy Thonia. I'm a Nigerian mom blogger that is based here in Italy, and we are 6 in the family. So here in this channel, I do all about cooking, and family lifestyle vlogging, all of that. So if these are what you are interested in, you are highly welcome. So please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell for whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified of them, okay? And see you guys on my next clip, okay? Guys, I am on my way right now. I'm done in the house. At times what you don't plan for just happen, but that's life, so you just make do. So my washing machine just got spoiled about a week now. Right now I and hubby, we are on our way going in search of a new washing machine. Hopefully we find the one we want. We want a bigger one than what we have now, because I don't know, just don't know what happened. It's not that it stopped working. If you put it, it will start, and then at the middle it will just stop without the clothes being cleaned, and water will be there and everything, so it's not functioning anymore. So you just have to bring it down and take it to the garage and go in search of a new one. So finger crossed that we get another one, because we need that washing machine. So come along with us guys, and see you guys when we get there. warranty. But how many this thing is it? A class, not doppio A class, 9.
I had it on 5 something.
52% sconto.
Sis. Okay.
No, that's mese di gratuito. Hi guys, so we are done with them right now. We're able to make a decision on one, but that one has finished in their warehouse. They already made order, so they said they are expecting it not this week but in the next week. So when it arrives, they're going to give us a call to agree on when to bring it to the house, and then they can mount it, and then we will start using washing machine again. So at least we're able to round up everything with them, and it went well. Hi guys, my day has been going well. The weather is so bad. First, when we wake up, it was still dark, cloudy kind of. Before I took the kids to school, it was still very dark and very windy. There was so much breeze. Right now it is raining heavily, and it has been so for the past 2 to 3 hours now. So so far so good. Everything has been going well. We have finished from where, like I told you guys from the last clip, excuse me, we were able to make a decision on the washing machine, and we came back home. I quickly prepared something, and hubby has eaten, and I took him to work. So right now I drove straight to the children's school because it's already past 12. It's about 25 minutes after 12 noon now. So I'm just parked here waiting for them. They will soon be coming out. And I didn't go home straight because I would have gotten their umbrellas, but at least I have 2 umbrellas in the car here, so we can make do with that, and then we will go home. Hi guys, so from the last clip, I went to pick the kids, right? And so we have been back, and I've given them lunch, and we have been at home since. I've even made soup. Sorry I didn't carry you guys along because I really wanted to get it done before it will be time for me to go and pick the twins. And right now it's already 25 minutes past 3 o'clock p.m. So I'm already inside the car as usual, heading out right away to go and pick the twins from the school. And that will be it. So come with me guys, let's go and pick the children from the school. Okay, so I made soup anyway, and I made a greasy soup, and I was just in a haste. I did everything. I was just in a haste. Please, Oyibo, soup. So please, let's go and bring the children from the school. The weather today has been something else. Like it's raining. There's so much breeze. It's windy. It's cold. It's all of them only today. But it's okay.
I'm going.
Let's go this way. Alfredo. Elodie, come this way. Ciao. Amore. No, say hello.
Hello.
Say the TV. No, not the kitty for the pipi. Die. Hi guys. So from when we came back, and since then we have been doing some. Guys, please lower the volume. So, since after picking up the twins and we came back home, I've been very busy. We have been doing a lot of homework, assignment from school, and we just rounded up, and even some of them has even taken their nap. At least 3 of them, the twins and Martins, They took a nap. Martins took a nap after his assignments, after we are done, and now they are all awake, and I'm here in the kitchen making dinner. So after then I will do my final work for today. I'll be going to pick hobby. So that's it, guys. Have you connected it?
Yes.
More, are you sleeping? No, don't sleep, please. You're not sleeping, right? Don't sleep, please, because you have not eaten. Amore, don't sleep again, okay? Wake up. Come on, you have slept enough.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
You want to eat some fruits? Want to eat some bananas or some apples?
And food. Me too.
Food.
Tea.
You want to eat food?
Tea.
Okay. So guys, I finished cooking and I've as well taken my bath, and everybody will have all taken our bath as well. So and I'm also ready to bring hubby home. So that is gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for spending this day with me. And if you are new to the channel and you love what you see on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next vlog. Okay, Amy Thonia signing out. Bye. Ciao.